Hey, how's it going? This is Patrick, owner and operator of Performance Roofing and Construction, local roofing company here. We've done the neighbor's roof and the other roof on the side of it for the same storm. This one right here, it's a repair estimate, and we reviewed the repair estimate. It says to replace one shingle, but there's a lot more than just one shingle replaced. So we're not sure where or which shingle you're talking about, but I'm going to document a repair attempt on this roof. It does look very old and brittle. I could find out exactly how old it is, but in my experience, it's looking like it's probably non-repairable. So we're going to film start to finish us attempting to do a repair on the single shingle. And here's the house right here, and that just looks pretty baked on to me, pretty old and brittle, but we'll see. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do, I got a helper here who's gonna hold the camera in a second, bring up our equipment. We're gonna do a double pull onto the back here and access. There's our shingles right there for our repair. And I can see missing shingles all over the place on this, all over these hips. Another one right here on this hip. And then even shingles damaged right there in the middle. So right there's a couple tabs missing in the middle of the slope. We'll do a repairability there because that shingle hanging off the roof on the other side, and there's creasing all right in here. I'm gonna chalk everything first, show you guys what all is damaged first, and then we'll do the repairability video right on these. So here's documentation of the condition in that area before. Okay, so now we're gonna show you everything we marked out. And during the adjuster appointment, I was here and I put little dots next to all of these things. Somehow they didn't count, so I'm going to show it again on video and show the homeowner, or add the homeowner in this video as well. So that's a clear crease right there, correct? See the shingle's not sealed? It's all creased. So that's on the back slope here. Here's another one on the back slope. Again, you see how it's bubbled up like that? Creased shingle. You're not supposed to be able to lift it like that. Even this right here, that's creased too. I haven't marked that, but I'm about to. So you can see, wind just grabbed that. That's even more. Okay, moving on. Here we've got the missing tabs, and there's two of them. And those were here on the first appointment and all the things. All this was here. And I've got videos and pictures of it. So we'll try to do a repairability here because that's the obvious damage, right? I mean, that's missing. It's gone. It's fresh. So you can see there's no fresh granule loss or anything. And we're going to show you that again before we get started. But here's another crease right here. Okay. Another one here. So back slope, we've got 8 wind damaged shingles already. Now there's 9. Let's look at this one. You see the crease right in that. See? Right there. And I'm just very carefully lifting these things just to show you. So there's more wind damage right there. Hip and ridge is completely destroyed. I don't see how this could ever be repairable. I mean, it's paper thin. So, all right, moving on. You've got 3 hip and ridge shingles here torn, which we're just going to keep breaking them all the way up because look at it. Moving. There was no adjuster on the roof. It was a ladder assist guy, and I actually thought he was doing a pretty good job. He documented more than what's on the repair estimate. But anyway, here, you know, we've got plenty of damage on the back slope. This is additional back slope stuff here that I'm going to show you. And these are very clear. Should be in the report. That's a crease right there all along the top. Look at that. Fasteners pulled and everything on this one. Same with this one. I'll get down lower here and show you. See that? All these. This fastener's pulled too. So tons of wind damage here. That would give the back slope like 12 to 14. Even that looks creased along the top. More hip and ridge on this other side. Then you got shingles literally falling off of the roof. And that's going to be a section of course, 2 or 3 shingles there damaged. Very steep, 2-story. Okay, so tons on the back slope, right? All spread out too. All in different areas of the roof, everywhere. Your right slope. Take a look at this. I know a lot of adjusters aren't big on zippering, but the fasteners are pulled. So here's the zipper. When you lift it, they all lift up like that. And take a look at this. The fastener right here, it's pulled through. So you can lift this all the way up. That's wind damage. So it wasn't pre-loss conditions. It wasn't like that before. It's even creased a bit. This is a pulled fastener. And the whole thing is zippered. This one's creased as well. So, bunch of damage here on the right. That's a pretty obvious looking crease right there too. Moving on. That's the right and the back. And there's even some on the garage too. Hip and ridge. And I could find a bunch more, I'm sure. But this neighbor already got their roof. This neighbor already got their roof. Everybody in the neighborhood's gotten their roofs done. Here in the front. Okay. Which goes into valleys, overlaps with ice and water shield or valley metal. And we're going to continue. There's more damage over here. We continue to do more damage here. But on the front slope, we got 5 wind damage shingles as well. And again, I see how being up on a steep 2-story, you wouldn't see all these, but here we go. Unless you're really checking for them. But right here, again, look at that fastener. Pulled right through the shingle, you guys. And all these shingles lift up. That's all wind damage. Okay, now we're gonna try to do, I mean, even this is creased. It's creased. That's really creased. So there's tons of damage here. Not what the report is saying. But we're gonna try to do a repairability video right here, okay? Thank you. Okay, so we're gonna do a repairability video here. First I want to show there's no granules coming off of here. Nothing's been pre-done. This will be our test. TEST shingle right here, which means we're going to grid out these shingles as well. All the shingles are going to have to be manipulated or moved in order to get this shingle out. A few below it, probably this one here. This one here. Okay, so we've started, and probably even this one here. So we've gridded it out. Now we're going to attempt to loosen up the fasteners carefully and get this shingle out. So we're going to have to loosen up all the shingles here. Already, there's severe mat transfer here. But I'm just being very, very careful to get these out. We're going to want to loosen up this one. Get it started here somewhere. You can see I'm not lifting the shingles a lot. Getting them unsealed, and every time it's sticking and mat transfer is taking place. I'm going to loosen this one. Listen to that. Right there. I can see the mat transfer. Okay, so got those all loosened up. Get this one. Look at the edging on all these too. If you can show with your camera the condition of this roof. And why I'm saying there's no way an old brittle roof like this just paper thin, all the granules are coming off, is going to be repairable in the Texas heat. I doubt it. I can already tell it's not. But we are going to do a very careful repair here. We're going to see. Okay, that should be good now. In order for us to get these fasteners out, this is a very steep two-story roof here too. Gotta be careful, it might take some time. But we're gonna want to see where our fasteners are. Okay. And I'm lifting it up just enough. I honestly can't even see them because I'm not lifting it up very much. Pulling right through the shingle. This is the test shingle, so it should be all right. It's already damaging right here, everywhere we touch it, and it's already creasing. Just trying to get these nails out. Look at that. See that on the video? Where it's torn? I'll circle it. Again right there. Okay, and that was just the shingles in, or the fasteners in this one, except we gotta get this one last one out. Okay, so those are just the shingles in our test, or the nails in our test shingle. Now we're going to loosen this up to get it out. Because the next row of shingles is pinching it. Holding her in here. These nails now. So truth be told, this repair has already failed miserably, but we're still determined to see it all the way through and replace the shingle. I'm going to show you the area around it. This guy should come out. Okay, now we've already encountered a lot of issues and we have to put a new shingle in. So let me go get another shingle. What's up? You can keep the video going while I grab another shingle. So you can see what shingle I'm using and everything. Here, can you hold this? Put it somewhere? Okay, now we're going to attempt to get our new shingle put back in its place. You can see, good quality shingle. Let me see the camera. To be honest with you, as you can see, this is butted up perfect for the keyway, for the nails to not, water not to find them. This is level right here with the bottom of the shingle, and look at this. You'd have to trim these. Look how much that overlap is. That's insane. So this is actually a discontinued shingle as well. Let me pass this back to the repairman. So you can't even fit a new shingle in here, and I'm gonna have to trim it, which is not, it's not okay, especially not in windstorm, to be trimming shingles on a homeowner's roof, causing more issues, but it's not going to fit unless we do. How much needs to come off of that just to get it to fit? Okay, let me see the camera again. Show them that trim was necessary. That is extremely tight. You could suffer from curling here, and that as well still should be trimmed a little bit. It's right there. But moving on with the repair here. Let's just get these nails in. Now we have to lift this shingle just in order to see where we're nailing. Have the proper nail pattern. We want to be right on this, right above this blue line here. Have a full swing or an accurate swing because it's a repair. I'm trying not to lift the shingle too much. I don't want anyone saying I lifted it even close to 90 degrees. So they are going in a bit skewed because of that. need to loosen up that shingle above it. The nails that we had to take out. Means we have to loosen up this one. Okay. And all the nails that had to come out before, like this one. We need to loosen up this other shingle here too. Literally can't get in there. Here's the deal. I'm going to show you all the damages that this has caused so far. We could just call this good. Right here, that's torn. This whole thing is broken. Broke all the fasteners. So I'm not, every time I keep going up to try to put new fasteners in, it breaks them right at the line. Right here. Torn. And then all the mat transfer. So I'm going to show you all that right now. So take a look. Tore the shingle there, it's too brittle. Tore the shingle here, and here, and here. And the whole thing, everything's broken. This roof can't be repaired. And there's damage all over it. Okay, so there you have it. It's a really hard roof to work on. Being steep, being two-story like that. I understand why the adjuster didn't get up there. I just feel like a lot of stuff was missed. There's tons more damage on there than what's on this repair estimate that the homeowner gave me. They're having me send a demand estimate with this video, with them CC'd in it. Their friends and family have already worked with appraisers and public adjusters. But I told them I think that things just got missed and we should be able to send in an estimate with this video showing full transparency, showing that the roof's not repairable, even showing the condition of the roof, like all that fiberglass matting showing, like it's an old roof, can't be done. I had to stop doing that repair because I was splitting shingles as I went and it was going to keep going up and up and up. So currently there's more damage there than there was before, just trying to repair one shingle. I'm going to tie all this together, upload it to YouTube, and send you the link with the homeowner or the insured and the desk adjuster, claim number in the subject bar, all those things. Performance Roofing and Construction failed attempt to repair this roof. Thank you.